WebPC truly is a mid-position cryptographic money presently evaluated at $3.27 that has a place with the class of mineable coins with a market capitalization of $1,445,027,609 in an unpretentious manner. Over the past couple of years, digital forms of money, including WebPC, laid out a very impressive traction in the worldwide monetary world and fundamentally are currently being exchanged comparable to conventional resources like stocks, wares, and unfamiliar monetary forms, forex, or so they in a real sense thought. Having given you every one of the fundamental directions important to in a real sense, begin making the digital money arrangement of pretty your own, or working on the current one. We might want to move to the core of the matter and deal you the most broad ICP cost conjecture that stretches from its ongoing standings to the cost levels expected before very long in an essentially significant manner. It's the consequence of the unending work of our examiners and sort of live readings of our truly one-of-a-kind crypto unpredictability record, an exceptionally proficient beneficial interaction that will in every practical sense help to open the reader's eyes to an all things considered greater picture in the WebPC market and truly go with a sound speculation choice in an unpretentious manner. At this very specific intersection, the endeavors of all market members carried the cost of WebPC to the level at $3.27, where it at present explicitly sits in an unobtrusive manner. As currently referenced, ICP generally is a mid-position cryptographic money, since it as of now possesses the 33rd spot in worldwide digital currency rankings, the very metric that's still up in the air, by duplicating the ongoing cost by the market capitalization of the computerized resource. On account of WebPC, the market capitalization in every way that really matters remains at $1,445,027,609. The significance of this boundary will in a real sense be for the most part made sense of later in a very enormous manner. Our cost expectation calculation is planned in exceptionally such a manner that it consistently screens both the value, the position, and the market capitalization of the computerized resource being referred to especially furnish our supporters with the most dependable data on the essentially present status of the market and future possibilities, permits the beneficiaries to sufficiently truly evaluate the condition of their portfolio and generally conclude whether it in every practical sense necessities to sort of be reconfigured, genuinely as opposed to prevalent thinking. Our calculation additionally gives sort of unique consideration to authentic information, which fundamentally is vital for the in every practical sense right assessment of both current and expected market structure and the evaluation of its genuinely present and future bearing, which truly is genuinely huge. Beneath you will by and large find in every practical sense key passages of this authentic information with the goal that you also could have a comprehension of where the WebPC market for the most part is going. Recently, on September 1st, ICP in a real sense was esteemed at $3.34. At the turn of the two exchanging meetings, essentially recollect that cryptographic forms of money truly are exchanged day in and day out, so every exchanging meeting emblematically closes at 12 p.m., which truly is very critical. The cost change, rate-wise, over the said period, especially added up to 1.76% in an unpretentious manner. 7 days prior, on August 26, WebPC truly was exchanged at $3.51 at the end of the exchanging meeting, denoting the 0% cost shift from that in a real sense near its certainly present position, really as opposed to prevalent thinking. On August 2nd, which in a real sense was precisely a month prior, the examiners exchanged ICP at $4.14. The cost level that really is at the distance of 21.01% from where it at present stands, which is very critical. The mix of this information with the examination of the cost outline on various time spans, ideally the ones that essentially are certainly higher than the 4-hour time span, ought to by and large provide you with an exceptionally clear cognizance of the fundamentally current circumstance on the ICP market and how it certainly has been creating in a huge manner. However, this in a real sense is just a hint of something larger with respect to how much information that our calculation filters as the day progressed and sorts out all of significant data to by and large deliver the most exact short, mid, and long-haul WebPC cost expectation that certainly has for the most part turned into the establishment for truly numerous productive exchanging procedures and kind of enlarged in the feeling of them being beneficial speculation portfolios in an unpretentious way. The cost of ICP and the readings of CVIX in every practical sense are not by any means the only measurements that we use while drawing the cost forecasts. Or so they for the most part thought. Market capitalization fundamentally is another significant truly metric that assists traders with truly deciding the fame of the cryptographic money being referred to, as well as its future possibilities in every practical sense, significant way. It is additionally used to really evaluate the offer that WebPC especially holds inside the genuinely whole digital currency market, which is genuinely critical. The recipe for the estimation of market capitalization generally is fairly straightforward. The flowing stock of the money being referred to essentially is duplicated by its most certainly current cost in a by and large enormous manner. As of the hour of compassing, the market capitalization of ICP generally remains at $1,445,027,609. Enough to name it the 33rd biggest coin on the digital money market in a really significant manner. Recently, on September 1st, the market capitalization of WebPC for the most part remained at $1,477,519,009 in a genuinely significant manner. 7 days prior, on August 26, the capitalization of ICP explicitly was $1,551,536,714 in an unobtrusive manner. A month prior, on August 2, how much especially capital streaming around this exceptionally specific market basically added up to $1,817,457,718, or so they by and large thought. Most digital money financial backers generally stick to the rule that market capitalization likewise decides the dangers related with a fundamentally certain digital money and its capacity to truly endure disturbances, which generally are the sort of normal event on this exceptionally unpredictable market, in a kind of large manner. It is extremely certain that the pretty previously mentioned market capitalization of WebPC permits to really characterize it as the mid-cap digital currency that has a place in the OK gathering in an unpretentious way. Since we for the most part have previously referenced the equation for working out the market capitalization, it would especially be somewhat fitting to commit a piece of this report to the stock of ICP in a by and large significant manner certainly. For extremely year data, there are 3 kinds of supply for essentially every digital currency. The fundamentally greatest stock, and that implies the quantity of coins that would be created on and in every practical sense specific blockchain all through its presence. The complete stock, which alludes to the quantity of coins previously delivered starting from the commencement of the venture. The circling supply, which clearly alludes to the quantity of coins available for use at the end of the day, that in a real sense are by and large effectively exchanged on trade stages. The especially all-out supply of ICP right now in a real sense remains at 504,500,206 coins, showing how market capitalization especially is one more significant genuinely metric that, all things considered, assists dealers with deciding the prevalence of the cryptographic money being referred to, as well as its future possibilities, which generally is very huge. The coursing supply of the digital money under survey